Okay, this is the last problem, and this one's challenging as well. So definitely take your time and rewatch if needed. Notice how I've put in some letters to label the points for this particular problem. I looked for an easier way to do this, and I could not find one. So we're gonna do some simple subtraction first. If this is 40, looking at this big triangle here, ABE, we have 44 and we have what is that, 61. That'll make this angle 75. And if that's 30, this must be 75 as well. Okay. Now, you can also look at this big triangle, triangle DBE, and it's got angle measures of 31 and what's that, 74. So that's going to make this angle to be 75. And then if that's 30, this one is also 75. So you now have triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC by angle. And that's going to be incredibly helpful, even though it might not look like it at first. Of course, let me fill in this. This is going to be 105 degrees here in the middle. I know we got to find this question mark up here. But you see, watch this. We're going to look at the letter pattern now. So we know AC is to BC. Well, that would match up to what over here? DC is to EC. So take a look. We're saying that this is to this, as that DC is to EC. This is to this, as that is to that. And then we have these 105-degree angles in between. In other words, this triangle now, ACD, is now similar to triangle BCE, be careful in the matchup, by SAS similarity. Okay? Because you have this is to this, as that is to that. That's the S and the S. And you have the included angle in between. So these triangles being similar means that this angle corresponds to this one. And this question mark would correspond to this one down here. So our question mark is simply 44 degrees. That's a tough one for sure. Take a look at it again if you need to, and rewind. But yeah, it's a tough one with those similar triangles. So that's a level 4 problem for sure. Maybe an enhanced level 4 problem. If you can come up with another way to do it, that'd be awesome, because I'd love for there to be an easier way.